In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're walking through how to export your ClickUp data to Excel in a clean, reliable way, and I'll point out a few helpful tips so you don't miss anything along the way. First, open the correct workspace in ClickUp, the one where the data you want to export actually lives. If you have access to multiple workspaces, double check the logo or name in the top left to confirm you're in the right place. Then open the space that contains the lists or tasks you need, like marketing or projects. Getting into the correct space from the start saves you from exporting the wrong information later. Next, switch to a view that ClickUp can export. At the top, click View and choose either List View or Table View. Only these two support exporting to Excel. If you don't see the export option later, it usually means you're in a different view type, so come back here and switch to list or table before continuing. Now open the View Customization menu. In the selected view, click the Customize button, the small gear icon at the top. That opens the view level settings for what you're looking at right now, which is exactly where the export options live. From this menu, choose Export View, then select Excel. The wording may be slightly different depending on your version, but you're looking for the export action that sends data to inbox.x file. You'll be asked what you want to export. You can export only the visible columns, which grabs exactly what's on your screen. Just task names, which is useful for quick lists, or all columns, which includes every available field for those tasks. If you're building a full report or archive, all columns is usually best. If you prefer a lightweight file or you only need a few fields, pick visible columns and tidy your columns before exporting. Once you've made your choice, click Download and let ClickUp prepare the file. When the export is ready, your browser downloads an Excel.xlsx file. Open your Downloads folder, launch the file in Excel, and you'll see your tasks, columns, and values organized into a spreadsheet. If something looks off, go back to ClickUp, adjust your visible columns or filters, and export again. From here, you can use the Excel export for reporting, analysis, sharing with stakeholders who aren't in ClickUp, or simply as a backup for offline review. Keep any sensitive data in mind as you distribute the file. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.